Hello, welcome to Cannon Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a Pavoni and a Zacconi grinder. These two came in together. For the grinder, we changed the burrs, put on a new hopper and a new chute, and cleaned the grind chamber. For the Pavoni, we did a gasket rebuild and cleaned it up and secured a couple things, and also cleared the pressure stat, so it's got a nice strong pressure. Anyway, let's see how the two work together. All right, let's see. Let's get some water in there. Still dripping a little. Let's check the steam. Give a quick little purge. All three holes are nice and clear. Nice strong steam. It's heating again. Well, there you have it. Thank you for repairing with Cannon Coffee and Espresso Machines. Two cool pieces of equipment. Please like this video. To see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.
That's very illuminating. We just have to